Hi, Mark. What a nice surprise to see you here.
Hi, Anna. Yes, it's a beautiful day. What are you doing?
I'm just taking a walk. The weather is perfect. What about you?
I'm here with my dog. He loves the park. Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to come every weekend. It's so relaxing. How about you?
I come here every morning for a run. It helps me stay fit.
That's great. I should start running too. Do you run every day?
Yes, almost every day. It's a good habit. What do you do for exercise?
I like to do yoga. It's very calming and good for flexibility.
Yoga sounds nice. Maybe I should try it. How long have you been doing yoga?
For about 6 months now. It's really helped me feel better. Do you have any other hobbies?
I like to read books and watch movies. What about you?
I enjoy cooking and painting. It's fun to try new recipes and be creative with colors.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe you can cook something for us next time we meet.
I'd love to. Let's plan a picnic in the park. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's do it next weekend.
Perfect. See you then, Mark.
See you, Anna. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.